Hello everybody. Today I'm going over my shit kit. Oops, I mean my crap or number 2 kit. And the whole kit weighs 6.2 ounces inside the dry bag. The kit consists of a bandana, a Cool Clean and Holy Hiker bidet, toilet paper, Dr. Bronners soap, and the Deuce number 2 trowel. So the dry bag is a Z-Packs dry bag and it weighs 0.5 ounces. I have a half a bandana in there, and the half a bandana weighs 0.7 ounces. I have a Cool Clean and a Holy Hiker bidet as backup. Together they both weigh 0.9 ounces. Then I have a small bag of toilet paper that I want to carry the entire way, all the way to Maine, and not use it, and that weighs 0.8 ounces. Now I am taking Dr. Bronners soap, 2.9 ounces because of COVID. I want to make sure that I have plenty of soap to wash. And then I'm taking the Deuce number 2 trowel, which weighs 0.6 ounces. Thanks for watching.